Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on penhouse.in black body slim fountain pen. And yeah, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen, because just with photos you cannot fully understand this pen. So here, this is a full black matte finished body and cap with gold clip and a ring on the pen's grip portion. And yeah, this is so slim and fancy. The clip is looking so fancy, and this is a pull type opening. You have to pull the cap for open, and this is number 5.5 nib with dual tone one, and you can swap the nibs as you like, since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands. Usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs, where we have number 5.5 in medium, fine, broad, again with gold dual tone and with silver, and also with flex nibs. So this is upon your wish, and for that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And yeah, this feeder has many grooves in it, and this is a very short and thin grip portion. You can hold this here. As this grip portion is a smaller one, this is more suitable for the little fingers for school little children's. And also there is a golden design here which is looking so good. And this is a thread type opening. You have to unscrew this portion for open this. And this is a cartridge converter system. This is a converter. You can press this portion up and dip in the ink and pull this back, so ink will fill this portion. Otherwise you can use cartridges also. And the most important thing in maintaining your fountain pen is, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly. Then you have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull this out. And this is so simple, it will come out easily. And after removing, flush the feeder with the help of a toothbrush or any brush, and clean it well with soap water. If you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and then brush and clean. And so in some ink bottles also you can find it as mentioned that you have to wash on every fill. So here this is Brill bottle ink, and here it is given, clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick dry on paper. So it is given here clearly. So it is clear, unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And here few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because on manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down, so it will create a space in between the tines, so you will get a good ink flow and smooth writing also. And please ensure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here I'm going to give the writing sample of this. So for today's writing, I'm going to use our Penhouse violet color ink. Wow, this is so smooth like butter. The writing is so good. There is no problem with the nib or the ink flow and all. And now the measurement. The grip area's diameter is 8.1 mm and the body is 9.5 mm, and the length of the pen without cap is 112.2 mm, and with cap it is 132.3 mm. And with this measurements you can find the exact pouches or holders for this pen. So yeah, you can also engrave your names on the cap or the body as it is a metal one, and if you're ordering you can mention it in the order itself. And this process would take at least just 2 minutes, so we can do the engraving on the spot for our shop customers too. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.